Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to pronounce vegetables names. So let's start. Salad patta यानी कि lettuce, बैगन, you can call eggplant or brinjal, shimla mirch, bell pepper or capsicum, broccoli in Hindi and broccoli in English is full gobi and in English cauliflower. Sauf in Hindi and in English fennel. Napa patta gobi in Hindi and in English napa cabbage. Patta gobi in Hindi in English white cabbage. Lal gobi in English red cabbage. Muli in Hindi, in English radish. Chukandar in Hindi, in English beetroot. Pyaz in Hindi, in English onion. Pile pyaz in Hindi, in English yellow onion. Chhatrak in Hindi, in English mushroom. Ajwain in Hindi, in English celery. Khira in Hindi, in English cucumber. Maka in Hindi, in English corn. Shaljam in Hindi, in English turnip. Shakarkand in Hindi, in English sweet potato. Turai in Hindi, in English zucchini. Matar in Hindi, in English pea. Tomato in Hindi, in English tomato. Hari pyaz in Hindi, in English spring onion. Lahsun in Hindi, garlic in English. Hari mirch in Hindi, in English green chili. Lal mirch in Hindi, in English red chili. Shatavari in Hindi, asparagus in English. Gajar in Hindi, carrot in English. Aloo in Hindi, potato in English. Adrak in Hindi, ginger in English. Tinde in Hindi, squash in English. Band gobi in Hindi, in English Brussels. Gobi in Hindi, kale in English. Shaljam in Hindi, swede in English. Kaddu in Hindi, pumpkin in English. Dhania in Hindi, coriander in English. Palak in Hindi, spinach in English. Ratalu in Hindi, in English yam. Karela in Hindi, in English bitter gourd. Lauki in Hindi, bottle gourd in English. Shepu in Hindi, dill in English. Methi in Hindi, fenugreek in English. Kari patta in Hindi, curry leaves in English. Sheuga in Hindi, drumstick in English.